is based on my Uncle Miguelito's expertise on this, since he was born in the 1950s. So almost all songs use plucking patterns or finger picking. So I will discuss the 5 plucking patterns with you, including some examples of these songs, so that you will not be confused that every time we post there are numbers like you play this with plucking 1 or plucking 2 or plucking 3, 4, or 5. So the first one, okay, so I show the pattern here. Is it too dark? Okay, so the first one shown here is you pluck the base, okay, and then 1, 3, and 2. So T stands for the base there. T stands for the base. So, and then 1, 3, 2, or 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that is plucking pattern 1. Okay, and I have to show it to you how to do this. Okay, so for example, if you have the C chord here, so pluck bass, and then so bass, and 1, 3, 2. So that's plucking pattern 1. Okay, bass, and then 1, 3, 2. Okay, I will sing the song for this. Like Take Me Home Country Road can be strumming, but can also be for plucking pattern 1. Okay, so Country Road. Okay, like that. Again, bass, then 1, 3, 2. That's plucking pattern 1. The rich mountains older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Country road, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country road. So that's a plucking pattern 1 or finger picking 1. Now for the number 2. Okay, so the pattern is like this. Okay, so plucking pattern 2 is pluck the T that stands for bass. So bass, then 2, 3, and then bass, 1, 3, 2. Okay, again, plucking pattern 2 is bass, then 3, 2, then bass, 1, 3, 2. Okay, so I will demonstrate how to play this. So the song that can be played with this, there are a lot. For instance, there's a song called Leader of the Band. I know you're familiar with this. Leader of the Band, we already demonstrated this. So plucking pattern 2 again is bass, then 3, 2, and then bass, 1, 3, 2. Okay, so for example, Leader of the Band. Only child alone and blind, I've come that way for summer. The sense were meant for different good, but this world was known to. Left his home and went his way, his solitary way. that's finger picking or plucking 2 again. Bass, then 3, 2, then bass, 1, 3, 2. Okay, so that's finger picking or plucking 2. And then 3 is almost the same as 2, but you just play these both simultaneously, the bass and the string 1. Okay, simultaneous playing for it. So if you play this with leader of the band, it's almost the same. Like that. When a child alone and covenant with the song, the sensor man for different world, this world was known to us. And his own man went his way, solitary way. Give to me a gift I never can repay. Okay, so that's finger plucking pattern 3 or finger picking 3. Now, most common is finger pattern 4, and it is simpler. Okay, and there are a lot of songs played for this, like Sound of Silence, Vincent, I Started a Joke, You Needed Me, Stuck on You, Honesty, New Kid in Town, Love Somebody, Dreamin' Again, I Know I Need to Win Love, Skyline Pigeon. So there are many songs for finger plucking pattern 4. So how to do this? So based on this illustration, you pluck the bass or the T treble clef, and then 2, and then 3, 2, 3. Bass, then 3, 2, 3. So this is easier to play actually. Finger plucking pattern 4, and there are a lot of songs for this. Okay, like Vincent, Starry Starry Night. Okay, so again, plucking pattern 4 is bass, then 3, 2, bass, then 3, 2, bass, then 3, 2. Okay, so like this. Okay, like that. Let's start. Look out on the sun's my soul. The trees and daffodils, the trees and winter trees, and colors and also, if you're familiar with Dust in the Wind old song, it also plays plucking or finger picking 4. So that's finger picking 4. Okay, again, so bass and 3, 2, 3. Bass, 3, 2, 3. So that's finger picking 4. Only for a moment, and the moment's gone. Oh, my dreams rush before my eyes in curiosity. and then the last pattern is pattern 5. It's just a waltz type locking pattern. So you just click the bass and then simultaneous 1, 3, 2 strings like this. Or so that's a finger or plucking pattern 5. So there are many songs if you can notice with this kind of finger picking pattern, like Make It With You by Bread. So just like that, what's that? Hey, hey, have you ever tried really reaching out for the other side? Maybe climbing on rainbows, but dreams that life is for us to. If you're wondering what is, make it true. Make it okay, so that's a finger pattern 5, and there's also a popular song that can be played with a pattern called Diary. Okay, so Diary of Bread, because usually Bread is a finger picking pattern of pattern 5. Okay, thank you very much for this short live of plucking or finger picking demonstration. Till the next time, I will also discuss some strumming patterns that are easier for you. Hello, good evening. Okay, I'm going live because I want to discuss